Many people in Lagos lose millions of naira every year because they start building without proper approval. Some projects get stopped halfway, some buildings get sealed, and in some cases, owners are forced to start spending unexpected money just to fix documentation problems they could have avoided from the beginning. So before you buy land, before you start foundation, before you spend your hard-earned money building in Lagos, watch this video carefully. In this video, I'm going to explain the real building approval permit process in Lagos State, the documents you need, common mistakes people make, and how to avoid serious government issues during construction. And trust me, there are some things most people will never tell you until it's too late. If you're planning to build in Lagos or anywhere in Nigeria, make sure you subscribe right now because on this channel we teach real construction processes, land documentation, property investment, architectural planning, and step-by-step building guides that can save you millions. And if you need professional help with your own building approval, land documentation, architectural drawings, or full construction project, contact ConstructionAvoid Construction Limited directly on call or WhatsApp, +2347066294355. Now let's begin with the first thing you need to understand about building approval in Lagos. Building approval is simply the official permission issued by the government that allows you to legally begin construction on your property. A lot of people think once they buy land, they can immediately start building anything they want. But in Lagos State, there are regulations and approval processes that every property owner is expected to follow. The purpose of building approval is not just government procedure. It is also meant to ensure that structures are safe, properly planned, and built according to approved engineering and environmental standards. This process helps prevent issues like structural failure, drainage blockage, illegal construction, and even building collapse. And this is where many people make costly mistakes. Some people start construction without approval because they want to save time. Others rely on unprofessional agents or incomplete information. But later, they begin to face serious challenges when government agencies visit the site. Imagine investing millions into a project only for work to suddenly stop because proper approval was not processed correctly. That is why understanding this process before you begin construction is extremely important. At ConstructionAvoid Construction Limited, we always advise clients to handle documentation and approval properly before major construction begins because prevention is always better and cheaper than correction. And if you're already learning something valuable from this video, make sure you subscribe right now because this channel is going to teach you everything you need to know about construction, real estate, land documentation, building costs, and property development in Nigeria. Also, if you need professional guidance for your own project, call or WhatsApp us directly on +2347066294355 and we'll help guide you through the right process. Now let's move to one of the most important parts of this video, the documents required for building approval in Lagos. To successfully get building approval in Lagos, there are key documents you must have in place before your application can even be considered. Many people face delays not because the process is difficult, but because they submit incomplete or incorrect documents. The first important document is your survey plan. This shows the exact location, size, and boundaries of your land. Without a proper survey, your property cannot be accurately assessed. Next is your land ownership document. This could be a deed of assignment, certificate of occupancy, or other legally recognized title documents that prove you are the rightful owner of the land. Then you need architectural drawings. This is the detailed design of your building showing how the structure will look, including room layout, floor plans, and elevation. After that comes structural drawings. This focuses on the engineering strength of the building, including beams, columns, slabs, and foundation details to ensure the structure is safe and stable. You will also need mechanical and electrical drawings, which show how wiring, plumbing, drainage, and other essential systems will be installed within the building. In many cases, additional requirements may be requested depending on the location, size, or type of building project. Now here is something very important most people don't know. Even if you have land and money ready, missing just one of these documents can delay your entire project for weeks or even months. That is why proper preparation is very important before you submit anything for approval. At ConstructionAvoid Construction Limited, we assist clients with full documentation support, architectural design, structural planning, and complete building approval processing to ensure everything is done correctly from the start. If you are finding this useful, make sure you subscribe now because we will continue to break down real construction and documentation processes that can save you from costly mistakes. And if you need help with your own building approval or construction project, call or WhatsApp us directly on +234 7066294355. Now let's move into the step-by-step process of how building approval is actually done in Lagos. Let's break down the actual step-by-step process of getting building approval in Lagos so you clearly understand how it works from start to finish. The first step is site assessment and preparation. Before anything is submitted, your land is reviewed and your architectural drawings are prepared based on the actual site conditions. This ensures the design fits the land properly and meets Lagos state planning requirements. The second step is submission of drawings and documents. At this stage, all your required documents including survey plan, architectural drawings, structural drawings, and other supporting files are submitted to the appropriate government authority for review. The third step is technical review and evaluation. Here, government professionals review your building design to ensure it meets safety standards, structural integrity, environmental guidelines, and urban planning regulations. If there are errors or missing details, corrections may be requested before approval can move forward. The fourth step is site inspection. In many cases, officials may visit the site to confirm that the land details match the submitted documents and that the proposed construction aligns with the approved plan. The fifth step is final approval issuance. Once everything is verified and approved, you are issued your building approval permit, which officially allows you to begin construction legally. Now here is something very important. Many people delay their projects not because approval is impossible, but because they don't follow the process correctly or they use the wrong documentation from the beginning. This is why professional guidance can save you a lot of time, money, and stress. At Occupancy Construction Limited, we help clients handle this entire process from documentation to approval and even full construction execution. If you are planning to build in Lagos or anywhere in Nigeria, make sure you subscribe to this channel because we share real construction knowledge, not theory. And if you need direct assistance with your building approval, land documentation, architectural design, or construction project, call or WhatsApp us now on +234 7066294355. I'm going to show you the biggest mistakes people make during this process that can completely ruin their building project. Now let's talk about the biggest mistakes people make when trying to get building approval in Lagos, because this is where most serious problems actually start. The first major mistake is starting construction before approval is granted. Many people believe they can start small while waiting for approval, but in Lagos, this can lead to serious consequences such as project stoppage, penalties, or even demolition in extreme cases. The second mistake is using unverified or incorrect documents. Some people rely on agents who submit incomplete or fake documentation. This usually leads to rejection or long delays in the approval process. The third mistake is poor architectural planning. If your building design does not follow proper standards or violates planning regulations, your application will be rejected or sent back for corrections. The fourth mistake is ignoring land verification before starting the process. If the land has legal issues, disputes, or incorrect survey details, it can affect your entire approval process and even your ownership rights. The fifth mistake is trying to rush the process without professional guidance. Building approval is not something you rush blindly. Every stage must be handled properly to avoid setbacks that can cost you time and money. Now here is the truth most people don't hear early enough. A small mistake in documentation or planning can delay a project for months and sometimes increase your overall construction cost significantly. That is why working with professionals who understand the process is very important. At Occupancy Construction Limited, we help clients avoid these mistakes by handling proper documentation, architectural design, structural planning, and full approval processing from start to finish. If you are learning something valuable from this video, make sure you subscribe now because we share real, practical construction knowledge that can save you from costly errors. And if you need help with your own building approval, land documentation, or construction project, call or WhatsApp us directly on +234 7066294355. Let's move to something very important: how much building approval actually costs in Lagos and what determines the price. Now let's talk about something everyone always wants to know: the cost of building approval in Lagos. The truth is, There is no single fixed price for building approval because it depends on several important factors. One of the main factors is the size of your building project. A small bungalow will not cost the same as a large multi-story duplex or commercial building. Another factor is the location of your property. Some areas in Lagos have higher regulatory requirements and development standards compared to others. The type of building design also affects the cost. A simple design is easier and cheaper to process compared to complex architectural and structural designs that require more detailed reviews. In addition, the completeness and accuracy of your documents can also affect the overall cost and processing time. Missing or incorrect documents can lead to delays, additional charges, or repeated submissions. Now here is something very important to understand. Many people focus only on cost, but they forget that delays and mistakes during approval can end up costing far more than the actual approval fees itself. For example, a delayed project can increase material prices, labor costs, and overall construction expenses over time. That is why proper planning and professional handling of your building approval process is very important. At Cornerpix Construction Limited, we guide clients through the entire process to ensure everything is done correctly, efficiently, and without unnecessary delays. If you are planning to build in Lagos or anywhere in Nigeria and you need help with building approval, documentation, or full construction services, call or WhatsApp us directly on +234 7066 294355. Make sure you subscribe to this channel because we are going to continue sharing real construction knowledge, cost breakdowns, and property development insights that can help you avoid expensive mistakes. Now let's move to how you can avoid government issues and delays during your construction process. This is one of the most important parts of the entire building process, because even after you get approval, how you manage your construction can still determine whether your project runs smoothly or gets interrupted. The first key step is to always ensure your construction matches your approved drawings. Many people make the mistake of changing designs during construction without updating their approval documents. This can create serious issues during inspections. The second important step is proper site supervision. Your project should always be supervised by qualified professionals who understand structural engineering and building regulations. This ensures that work is done according to approved standards. The third step is compliance with safety and structural requirements. This includes correct foundation work, proper reinforcement, and adherence to engineering specifications. Ignoring this can lead to structural problems and government intervention. The fourth step is keeping proper documentation on site. Your building approval documents, drawings, and permits should always be available for inspection if requested by authorities. Now here is the truth most people don't realize early enough. Most government issues during construction do not happen randomly. They usually happen when there are deviations from approved plans or when projects are not properly managed. That is why working with professionals is very important from the beginning of your project. At Cornerpix Construction Limited, we ensure that every project we handle follows approved standards, proper documentation, and professional execution from start to finish. If you are planning a building project and you want to avoid costly mistakes or government issues, you can contact us directly on call or WhatsApp at +234 7066 294355. Also, make sure you subscribe to this channel because we are going to continue sharing real construction knowledge, land documentation guides, and property development insights that can help you build safely and confidently in Nigeria. Now let's move to the final summary and everything you need to remember before starting your building project in Lagos. First, building approval is not optional. It is a legal requirement that protects you, your investment, and the safety of your structure. Second, your documents must be complete and correct from the beginning. This includes your survey plan, land title, architectural drawings, structural drawings, and other required approvals. Third, the approval process follows a clear structure, from submission, to technical review, to inspection, and finally approval issuance. If any stage is handled wrongly, it can delay your entire project. Fourth, most of the costly mistakes people make come from rushing the process, using unverified information, or starting construction without proper approval. And finally, proper planning and professional guidance can save you from serious financial loss and legal issues during construction. The truth is, building in Lagos is not just about having money, it is about having the right process, the right documentation, and the right execution strategy. That is why at Babconapix Construction Limited, we support clients from the very beginning of their project, including documentation, architectural design, approval processing, and full construction execution. If you are serious about building in Lagos or anywhere in Nigeria, and you want things done the right way, you can contact us directly on call or WhatsApp at +2347066294355. And if you are learning from this video, make sure you subscribe now, because on this channel we will continue to share real construction knowledge, land documentation guides, property investment tips, and step-by-step building tutorials. Now before you go, let's quickly conclude everything in the final message. Before you start any building project in Lagos, I want you to take this final message seriously. Every successful construction project is not just about money, it is about planning, approval, and proper execution from the beginning. If you skip the building approval process or handle it the wrong way, you are not just risking delays, you are risking your entire investment. But when you do it properly, you build with confidence, you avoid government issues, and you protect the value of your property for years to come. So whether you are planning a small building, a duplex, or a large luxury project, always ensure you follow the correct process from documentation to final approval before you start construction. And remember, you don't have to do it alone. At Babconapix Construction Limited, we help clients handle building approval, land documentation, architectural design, structural planning, and full construction services from start to finish. If you need professional help or you are unsure about your own project, call or WhatsApp us directly on +2347066294355 and we will guide you properly. If you found this video helpful, make sure you subscribe right now, because this channel is dedicated to teaching real construction knowledge, land documentation processes, real estate investment tips, and practical building guides in Nigeria. We don't just show buildings here, we show you how they are properly built. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.